Okay, so if this is my wall and I need to get, this is my plank here, so, and I need to tie into the flooring here, and this is my nosing. If I've got this piece needing to come around this corner, it's impossible for me to get it on there and then drop this into place. You know, being able to do both of those things. So here's what I do in this situation. I just score, and I can prep it like this so that it's ready for you, but I just score this inside on the bottom of this nosing. Similar to that. And what that's going to allow me to do is just hinge this down. So I'm snapping that bottom corner. What I don't want to do is, you know, disturb this finish too much. So I only want to bring it down one time and back up. So you don't want to be, you know, bending it back and forth at all. So I hinge it down like that. And as you can see, that gives me the clearance I need to get around that corner. So I'll go ahead and install, you know, the pieces it needs to come this way and hook into here. I can get that set up and hooked in and have enough clearance here to just slide that down the front. And then I'll bring that up, you know, locking it in place with the glue underneath on the underside. If the situation allows for it, a good thing to do is have your riser go underneath this lip as well. That's going to help hold it in place. But the key with this type of thing is you just don't want to be bending this corner a bunch of times. You just want to bend it the one time and then back up. And, you know, it's okay to do it on this bottom turn. You would never want to do that on this upper turn, because this is, you know, needs to be able to perform, you know, with the traffic that's going to be coming through at the top of the stairs. So that's the way to do it. And like say, I can pre-score these, you know, pre-score this piece so that it's ready for you to snap. Like I say, I wouldn't want to snap it prior to, because you just want to basically just do this right when you're doing it, so that, again, you're not bending that more than just the one time. But that'll allow you to drop it into place. So hopefully that answers kind of the question on that. That way we can make it the full 40 inches and you can connect in. But let me know if you have any questions on that.